welcome to my channel, AllasYummyFood. I'm Alla, the host of this show. Today I'm going to show you how to make these delicious cherry Bakewell mini protein bowls. I love cherries, and the cherry Bakewell basically means almonds and cherries together, and we have this popular dessert here in London, and so I wanted to make it in a beautiful bowl, so like a little treat when I fancy after a workout or before workout. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. Let's get started. Into your food processor or blender, you're gonna add your frozen cherries, add those in, and then you're gonna add your soaked dates, almond extract, and then add your rolled oats. Mine are crushed. Then gonna go ahead and add your stevia, pitaya powder, which is optional, I'm using it for color, protein powder, and our delicious almond butter. Then gonna blitz everything together until it's nice and smooth and looks just like this. And I'm gonna be dipping mine just in ground almonds. You can dip them into anything you like. What you want to do, you want to use the gloves and make sure they're wet, and divide your mixture into even amount of bowls. Depending on how big you make them, that's how many you're gonna make. I can make 12 bowls out of this mixture, so just roll them out and then dip them into your almond powder, coat them around just like so, and then place them onto your presentation dish. These are so good, so yummy, easy to make, and absolutely my favorite. They have a nice almondy texture and flavor and really taste like cherry Bakewell. These will keep well in the freezer up to 1 month or fridge up to 1 week. I hope you enjoy them.